Hello from Thailand. This is Ryan. I'm working with Capermint on the Echelon app. I wanted to just share a few words about my appreciation for the hard work, great work that Capermint has been doing, continues to do uh, thus far in the project. So, specifically, I want to mention uh, how much fun and productive and helpful it's been working with Bashil and Vivek, Trem from the design team. Just amazing work. So maybe just give a few thoughts on the work to date and what it's meant as we move forward. So um, I think from the very beginning, I think any entrepreneur, when they have an idea, it's always about the difficulty in taking that idea and then what is it actually going to look like once it crosses over to become something real that you see. Um, I'd had some previous experiences and with other designers, other companies, and always it seemed that whatever we came up with, it was always the design wise, it was like 20% less at best from what I would be hoping for. Um, the experience I've had with Capermint and with Prem and the designers, it's always 20% more than I expected. And 20% might not seem like very much, but for me, it's everything because it's something that is even better than I had hoped for. So I'm just so appreciative for that. Also for Vivek, he gave early advice, another app that he thought I might consider looking at by way of something that might inform the design and the UI UX of Echelon, and that proved to be so helpful. Actually, everything changed after that. I had to redo a lot of the contents in Echelon, and but it was worth it because what we see now, it's going to be a great user experience and much more streamlined, much more intuitive. I think for the end user to use when they're going through Echelon. So just these little things that add up to produce something that I think is going to be really amazing. And this is all things that wouldn't have happened if I didn't have the experience and good fortune of working with the Capermint team. So I just wanted to share a bit about that. Now we're moving into the development, the functional development for Android, and I've been working with Darty and more with Vashil, and just this whole process of going through the business logic, dotting the I's, crossing the T's, just getting everything really clear. It takes time, and there's a lot of questions which I hadn't considered. Um, but again, they add value. They make the whole process go much more smoothly. They've highlighted, illuminated blind spots, which some things I hadn't considered, and that were so important, and that if it hadn't been for those conversations with Darty or with Bashil, it would have ended up with a very less usable app. So um, every conversation I've had with anyone from Capermint has definitely, significantly added value to what's going to be the end product when we go live, hopefully in March. So very happy. I can't wait to see the more work that we do, getting through the next build and the build after that and the build after that. The feedback I've gotten from friends and my close circle that I'm sharing the initial screens and designs with so far has been nothing but extremely positive. So very excited, totally impatient. I can't wait for it to actually get done. But I know that we're on the right track. I know that everything we're doing is necessary and is adding value, and we're just going through the process as we should. I'm leaving it to your expertise. I have full trust in your commitment that you share with me in designing something that's going to be great. I've experienced nothing but professionalism and expertise from everyone I've talked to at Capermint. So um, very happy. So thank you very much. Look forward to working with you after this project and future projects. So keep up the great work. Thank you again.